Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're diving into how to choose healthy seed potatoes and the importance of chitting, or pre-sprouting, before planting. Let's get started. Choosing the right seed potatoes is crucial for a successful potato harvest. Here's what to look for. First, certified seed potatoes. Ensure they are disease-free. Second, they should be firm and healthy, with no signs of rot, cuts, or blemishes. And third, size matters. Medium-sized are ideal. Large potatoes can be cut into pieces with at least one eye. Chitting, or pre-sprouting, gives your potatoes a head start. It leads to faster growth, stronger plants, and an improved yield. Here's how to chit your seed potatoes. First, about 4 to 6 weeks before planting, place your seed potatoes in a cool, light area. Second, ensure the eyes are facing upwards. And finally, when the sprouts are half to 1 inch long, they're ready to plant. Choosing healthy seed potatoes and chitting them are key steps to a successful harvest. Follow these tips for the best start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!